Presenting a pre-owned 2019 Lexus ES. (2019) Lexus ES 300h Luxury. Elegance meets efficiency. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.5-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and a 6-speed shiftable CV transmission. This Lexus has less than 88,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 43 miles per gallon in the city and 45 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Introducing the 2019 Lexus ES 300h Luxury, a hybrid sedan so sleek it makes a greased weasel look slow. Draped in atomic silver, this beauty turns heads everywhere it goes. Under the hood, a 2.5L hybrid i4 delivers 215 horsepower, blending muscle and mindfulness for an effortless drive. With 43 miles per gallon city / 45 miles per gallon highway, it's as fuel efficient as it is for fun. Inside, you'll find black leather seats and Linear Espresso Wood Trim. A cabin so classy, it feels like a private lounge. The advanced infotainment system and intuitive touchscreen make every drive a tech-savvy joy. Safety? Covered. Adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, and a pre-collision system ensure peace of mind. With one careful owner and a clean Carfax, this Lexus is in excellent condition and ready to impress. Take it for a spin. You might just start planning your next road trip before you're back. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.